today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I have hopped back on a little train that has not been in my area for a while, and that's really because I was not real happy the last time I ordered this box. Now, if you've seen the description, you know which one it is. Yes, I hopped back on the Fashom train. That's right. And the reason I did was because when I first started getting Fashom, they were brand new. I think they had some kinks they needed to work out. Some things just were not in my favor. And I think that I have some credit and I wanted to give them another shot. So here we go. Let's see if they did better. I should have brought my scissors. Why do I always forget my scissors? Always, always, always. And then it's a real bear to try to get in the boxes. But this time I just told her I needed, t-shirts. Pretty much. That's what I need. Because I wear jeans to work. I can't wear shorts. And I just needed stuff I could wear to work. Alright, so I opened up the box and this is what it looks like when you open it. It is $15 a month. I can't always remember, but it doesn't cost anything to mail it back. You get your little mailer with the little ticket here. And then you get one of these. So I'll put that down there. And one thing about Fashom, you do pick what they send you. So they'll put like, I don't know, 6 or 8 items maybe in like a closet for you, and you pick 5 of those and decide which ones you want to keep and which ones you want to send back. So that's what those look like. So I do kind of know what is in here because I picked. There's a little Fashom emblem right here. Okay. The first thing is this dolman sleeve top. The boys in my office keep it very, very cold. So I don't always wear short sleeves inside. It's just, they keep it freezing cold and I freeze to death. So I did want, I don't mind having some things that are a little bit like 3/4 length sleeves because I will still wear them. But this one is open, which I did not know. I didn't realize that when I picked it. So that's pretty cool. And I love the color. It's like this teal green, dark like emerald color. Really pretty. She sent it to me, hopefully in a large, I think. It's by Natural Life. And I don't know, I think it's probably a large, but this is what it looks like. So we'll try that on. Then next up, Kayla is going to be happy. This one is by 22nd. It is got cream up here and a black down here. It's got that tie in the front, which depending on where the tie hits me, whether I'm going to like it or not. But look what it's got. It's got some leopard print. So if you know my friend Kayla with Kayla's Closet, you know she loves leopard print. But I love the color blocking. So, and it's really nice, lightweight. It's probably a little bit see-through. Depending on how it hits me here, we'll have to see if I have to wear a tank under it. Then next up, I thought this was just really cute for summer and upcoming 4th of July. It's this maroon and white striped tee. It's got a V-neck and some stars on the sleeves. Really soft fabric. It's by Chris and Carol. That's really cute. Alright, then I have a gray top. This is actually the back. It's got crisscrosses in the back. And then it's solid in the front. It is by Desfios. I don't know, whatever that says. So that's a really cute summer top. I can't, of course, wear that to work because it's open in the back, unless I was going to put a tank or something under it. And then these are just USA jeans, size 12. They're a little bit heavy, so I don't know about that. I mean, I did ask for jeans, but I needed like a, I wanted a cropped, like skinny ankle jean. So we'll see how I like those. But they're size 12, and y'all know the girls gained a little weight since I've been sick, and now I got more issues going on, which I won't talk about, but we'll see. All right, I'm going to go put these on, and I'll be right back for the try on. Okay, so I am back. I have tried everything on. I decided that I was not going to like do the whole try on, take everything off, put everything back on, because I'm having surgery, and so I'm in a lot of pain, and I just don't feel like it. So I kind of had to do, everything in my own time for this unboxing. And my next video is going to be my Stitch Fix unboxing, and it's also going to be like that. So today is just a unboxing, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. But anyways, and I will have a vlog post that goes up, a day in the life vlog post that goes up on why I'm having surgery. Okay, so I did put on this dolman sleeve top, the teal one that you just saw, and actually this is the next day, so but I did like it, and I believe I'm going to keep this one. It's really soft, and I like it. And then this top is another one that I'm going to keep. I thought it was really cute. It had the leopard print there with the black and cream block, and it's really cute. So the things that I'm not going to keep, even though I did really like this one, I thought it was really cute, and it's really soft. It kind of flowed out a little bit in the front, and just made me look bigger than I already am, and just was not flattering on me. So I hated that it just wasn't a straight cut like a normal t-shirt, so that I could keep it, because if it had been, I would have kept this one. And then this one is the one with the back. It flounced out in the back, if that makes sense. So you know how like you have like a wrap shirt in the front? Well, it was like that in the back, but it stuck out a bunch, and so I did not like that. It was not flattering at all, and so I'm gonna send it back. And then the jeans were too long. So these, I don't think they must have petite sizes, maybe. I don't think they're a petite. No, they're not. And so they were too long, and I don't need any more jeans that are just too long on me. So the two things that I'm going to keep are two shirts. So I'm going to put everything back in the bag for you, or for them. Throw everything, you just throw it back in there, and I don't really worry about folding it or anything. Maybe I should, but I don't. And then we're going to open up this, if I can hold on to it, and see what the paperwork says. Okay, so it has this little card that says "Better as I Am," and it tells you on the back what to do next. So tried everything on. I've decided what I'm going to keep. You can do exchanges. Each Fashom box, they contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue for New York City dogs, so that's pretty cool. So, let's see. I think if you keep 5 items, all 5 items, you get 30% off, and 25% off if you keep 3 or 4. And then you do get your $15 style fee back. But I'm not going to keep 3 or 4. I hate that because I really had high hopes for that one with the stars on it. Um, so the jeans would be $48. That gray top with the crisscrosses in the back was 33. The leopard pocket tee is 38. The stars one is 39, and the dolman sleeve top is 36. The cold shoulder one. So there's the prices right there. And if I kept everything, it would be $135.80, but I'm not going to. So, I think, have a $20 credit, and so I'll only pay about, what, 40 30 about $40 maybe for the 2 shirts, but I'll put that up here, what I'm actually gonna spend with my credit and everything. Okay, all right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. I hope that next time I do an unboxing, I will order another Fashom, because I do think that this one was a good box. And you know, I figure if I keep 1 or 2 items, then the box is a win for me. I'm not out to keep all 5. You know, it doesn't make it a bad box if I don't keep all 5. So hopefully, anyways, the next time that you see me do a Fashom unboxing, hopefully I'll feel better and I'll actually get to do a try on as well. Okay, bye.